Welcome to Whimsy Tricks, where we dive into the world of frugal living, showing you how to make the most out of every penny. Today, we're exploring the art of maximizing a frugal lifestyle to help you save money, live sustainably, and still enjoy life to the fullest. Living frugally isn't just about pinching pennies. It's about making intentional choices that align with your values and goals. Let's explore how you can elevate your frugal living game. Set clear financial goals. The cornerstone of frugal living is defining your financial goals. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a big purchase, or building an emergency fund, having clear goals will guide your frugal lifestyle decisions. Create a budget. Showcasing the importance of budgeting tools and techniques. Whether it's using apps, spreadsheets, or good old pen and paper, a budget helps track expenses. Identify areas to cut back and prioritize spending. Embrace minimalism. Highlighting the benefits of minimalism in decluttering and simplifying life. Less stuff often means more financial freedom, less stress, and a focus on what truly matters. Meal planning and cooking at home. Illustrating the advantages of meal prepping and cooking at home. It not only saves money but also encourages healthier eating habits and reduces food waste. And upcycling projects. Encouraging creativity through DIY and upcycling. Showcase simple projects that repurpose items, demonstrating how a frugal mindset can lead to unique and functional creations. Mindful spending and smart shopping. Guiding viewers on mindful spending habits and smart shopping techniques. Tips like buying in bulk, using coupons, and waiting for sales can significantly impact savings. Explore free or low-cost activities. Encouraging viewers to seek entertainment and recreation that doesn't break the bank. Showcase free local events, parks, libraries, and community activities. Invest in learning and self-improvement. Emphasizing the value of investing in oneself. Whether it's through free online courses, libraries, or affordable workshops, continuous learning adds immense value without hefty costs. Plan for the future. Highlighting the importance of planning for the future, including retirement savings, insurance, and investing, even on a tight budget. Living frugally isn't about deprivation. It's about making intentional choices that lead to financial freedom and a more fulfilling life. Energy efficiency and conservation. Highlight the significance of conserving energy to save on utility bills. Show simple techniques like using energy-efficient appliances, unplugging electronics when not in use, and maximizing natural light to reduce electricity costs. Bulk buying and stockpiling essentials. Discuss the advantages of buying non-perishable items in bulk when they're on sale to save money in the long run. Encourage viewers to stockpile essentials without overbuying or wastage. Second-hand shopping and thrifting. Showcase the benefits of thrift shopping and buying second-hand items. Visit thrift stores, flea markets, or online platforms to demonstrate how quality items can be found at significantly lower prices. Practice DIY repairs and maintenance. Empower viewers with basic DIY repair skills for fixing minor household issues, such as leaky faucets, simple car maintenance, or mending torn clothing. Illustrate how these skills can save money on professional services. Utilize cashback and rewards programs. Explore the world of cashback offers, rewards programs, and loyalty cards available at stores or through apps. Highlight how these programs can accumulate savings over time. Embrace free resources. Showcase the abundance of free resources available, such as public libraries for books, audiobooks, and movies, free online courses from prestigious universities, and free apps for budgeting, meditation, or fitness. Rent, borrow, or share. Encourage viewers to rent or borrow items they don't use frequently, such as tools, equipment, or even formal attire. Additionally, discuss the benefits of sharing resources within a community, like carpooling or tool-sharing programs. Cultivate a DIY mindset. Emphasize the importance of learning new skills and adopting a do-it-yourself attitude for tasks like home repairs, gardening, or basic car maintenance. Show how these skills can save money and provide a sense of accomplishment. Financial review and adjustments. Encourage viewers to regularly review their finances, reassessing expenses, and making necessary adjustments. Discuss the importance of renegotiating bills, exploring cheaper alternatives, and eliminating unnecessary subscriptions. Practice gratitude and contentment. Discuss the importance of gratitude and contentment in a frugal lifestyle. Highlight how appreciating what one already has can reduce the desire for unnecessary spending. Community engagement and support. Encourage viewers to engage with like-minded individuals in frugal living communities or forums. Share experiences, tips, and support to stay motivated and learn new ways to save money. Here are some more tips to further enhance the frugal living lifestyle for your YouTube video. Embrace DIY cleaning products. Showcase how viewers can make their own cleaning products using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Highlight the cost-effectiveness and eco-friendliness of DIY cleaners. Use meal leftovers creatively. Demonstrate how to repurpose leftovers into new meals to minimize food waste and save on grocery expenses. Create simple recipes using leftover ingredients. Practice mindful eating. Encourage viewers to plan meals according to seasonal produce and sales. Discuss meal planning strategies to save money while ensuring nutritious and satisfying meals. Evaluate subscriptions and memberships. Encourage viewers to assess their subscriptions and memberships regularly. Suggest ways to cut back on unused or unnecessary subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, etc. Focus on free entertainment. Showcase various free or low-cost entertainment options, such as hiking, picnics, free local events, board game nights, or DIY craft sessions. Emphasize the fun and fulfillment found in these activities. Bartering and trading. Discuss the concept of bartering or trading skills, goods, or services within communities. Show examples of how viewers can exchange skills or items without spending money. Prioritize quality over quantity. Emphasize the importance of investing in quality items that last longer, even if they initially cost more. Explain how this mindset saves money in the long run by avoiding frequent replacements. Utilize cash envelopes for budgeting. Introduce the cash envelope system for budgeting, where viewers allocate specific amounts of cash to different spending categories. Demonstrate its effectiveness in controlling expenses. Grow your own food. Inspire viewers to start a small garden or grow herbs indoors. Showcase the benefits of growing fresh produce at home, saving money on groceries and enjoying organic produce. Practice delayed gratification. Discuss the concept of delayed gratification and its impact on finances. Encourage viewers to wait before making non-essential purchases, preventing impulse buying. Explore frugal travel. Share tips on budget-friendly travel options, such as using travel rewards, opting for off-season travel, staying in affordable accommodations, or exploring nearby destinations. Encourage sharing resources. Discuss the benefits of sharing resources with friends, family, or neighbors, such as carpooling, sharing tools or equipment, or even organizing clothing swaps. By incorporating these additional tips into your video, you'll provide viewers with a comprehensive guide to embracing a frugal lifestyle that encompasses various aspects of daily living, from budgeting and entertainment to sustainability and community involvement. Tailor the content to resonate with your audience and inspire them to adopt frugal practices in their lives.